Super big iPhone. iPhone as digital signage. Hello everyone, this is an iPhone. We project this screen from your iPhone to your TV. We usually follow this Apple-made TV out adapter. This is how it is connected. Home TVs cannot be positioned vertically in portrait orientation, so what happens? It's when your phone is placed on the vertical screen. It will be placed in the center. Then fill in the left and right black edges. There are some apps, such as those that can be placed horizontally. For example, it can be placed horizontally. You see, he can fill the screen, no problem. There are some apps that can only be portrait. Then he can only make up the left and right black edges. For example, like this Huda Beauty app. It can only be presented on a vertical screen. So what you present on TV will be in the center. Then next to it is the left and right black edges. This will happen when we use a home TV in landscape style. But if I had a chance to set up my TV today in a straight setting, then can I remove the left and right black edges? For example, I turn the TV 90 degrees. I now turn the TV to 90 degrees. This is for commercial use. So can I use the normal TV out adapter? Let him present it in full screen. The answer is no, based on this question. So our company developed a product called Febin Smartphone Vertical Mode Mirror Adapter. For this special adapter, it will solve it. Say you don't care if your screen is placed as a vertical screen, or arrange it horizontally. It doesn't matter if your app is horizontal or vertical, can make it be full screen. But the premise is that your TV must have a chance to rotate. Smartphone Vertical Mirror Adapter. Give him a 5-volt power supply first. This 5-volt power supply is from this DC power supplier. Okay, then I connect the HDMI output to the TV. At this time, this blue video will appear on the TV. Let's connect this Apple Lightning cable to the converter. In the words of the iPhone of Lightning, use a lightning cable. USB-C iPhone uses a USB-C cable. This place has a USB-A connector. Connect in. Then I connected it to my iPhone again. Connect in. Like this. Oh, presented. Then we just talked about it. Our TVs are now set up as vertical screens. If my app today is horizontal. Okay, this is forced horizontal. So what to do? Then let's see that there is a button behind our converter. Press down. You can see that he is full screen. Of course, at this point, you have to turn your TV to 90 degrees. You see, it seems to be the opposite again. Instead, it is 90 degrees. It's a loop switch on his side. Keep pressing. Just switch to the mode you want. Of course. Oh, I'm horizontal now. Well, if I use this app today, he just happened to have both horizontal and vertical styles. iPhone's camera app. It is horizontal and vertical all it can show. If you put it straight, it will look like this. It's arranged horizontally. He also gives you a full screen of this situation. If you encounter an app with a vertical screen, like I just said, there is no other way. He can only present it on a vertical screen. It can't be made full screen. You see, no matter how he turns, it is the same as mandatory and straight. At this time, we can turn the TV to the original 90 degrees. Then press the converter again. He is just a cycle, like this. So this converter can make your iPhone app. It doesn't matter if it's horizontal or vertical, can make it full screen. But the premise is that your TV just needs to turn on. This is the purpose. It is not the purpose of general consumption. It is the so-called use of this business. Because our commercial TV can turn 90 degrees. So what is the application of this iPhone vertical screen on TV? Let me start with the most basic application. For example, we are now doing a live broadcast in the live broadcast room. Then, I want to see what I live broadcast all the time. Then I can open the content of my live stream. For example, this is what I'm streaming. Full screen is turned on. This way, you can see the content of your live broadcast in full screen. This will be very cool to broadcast live, that's right. For example, a live stream of a game you are playing now. You can open the game. And this is the live broadcast of the game. Like this. You can stream your game this way. Oh, that's right. So what else? For example, I want to open my no other app today. This is Wuda Beauty Filter app. It should be regarded as the source of my live broadcast footage. He was facing me like this. Then you are going to press this point. All clean. And after you pay the price, this watermark will disappear automatically. Applications of commercial exhibitions. Let's summarize. This is Febin's smartphone vertical mode mirror adapter. It allows you to cast your phone to your TV. It can be projected in both horizontal and vertical formats. Generally speaking, when we use it for consumption, the TV must be horizontal. So when the original factory designs it, it must be placed in the center. It's like this. But now is the time for commercial use. We can now be liberated. It can be turned to 90 degrees. I can make the screen it presents on the vertical screen now full screen. There are some apps. It itself only has a vertical screen. Then we can also make it full screen. For example, the app I just talked about is the same principle. And this app for this game, he can only present a vertical screen. Then I can also be him full screen. I just need to turn this 190 degrees. Then it was originally a horizontal app. Of course, there is no problem. This is the original horizontal app. Hey, why is this happening? It's okay, let's press it again. Whether it's a horizontal or vertical app, it doesn't matter if your TV is vertical or horizontal. It can satisfy you.